Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Media remote on your PlayStation 5. First, let's get it set up. Begin by inserting two AA batteries into the designated compartment on the back of the remote. Once the batteries are in, simply point the remote towards your PlayStation 5 console. It's designed for easy pairing, so it should automatically connect, allowing you to start controlling your entertainment right away without any complex steps. Now that your remote is paired, let's explore its basic functions. You'll find the directional buttons essential for moving through menus and browsing your content library. To select an item or start playing a movie, simply press the large Enter button in the center. For audio control, use the clearly marked volume up and down buttons to adjust the sound level of your television or connected audio system with ease. When enjoying movies or music, the Media remote offers intuitive playback controls. You have dedicated buttons for play, pause, fast forward, and rewind, making it simple to manage your viewing experience. For quick navigation, you can skip forward or backward by precisely 15 seconds using the designated skip buttons. If you're watching a disc, the disc menu button provides instant access to special features and chapter selections. Beyond basic playback, the Media remote includes convenient app shortcuts. You'll find dedicated buttons for popular streaming services such as Netflix, Disney+, and YouTube, allowing you to jump straight into your favorite content. Furthermore, the power button gives you direct control over your PlayStation 5, enabling you to turn it on or off without needing your game controller. It truly simplifies your entertainment hub.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.